This property is a townhouse situated in the center of Torino di Sangro, a pretty small town at just 9 kilometers from the Adriatic coast. The property is free on 3 sides and composed by 2 habitable apartments not internally connected to each other. The first apartment is situated on the ground floor and it measures approximately 50 square meters. The main entrance opens directly into a kitchen living room with vaulted ceilings and exposed bricks. On the same floor, we find a dining room, a bathroom with shower facilities, a storage laundry corner, and a double bedroom. This apartment also avails of a second entrance situated at the back of the house. The second apartment is situated on the first floor and it measures approximately 55 square meters. The apartment is composed by a kitchen with a fireplace, a beautiful living room with access to the terrace, with a view of the town and the surrounding hills, There are also two large bedrooms. The bathroom with shower facilities. The property has a very solid structure. The roof is in perfect conditions. All the utilities are connected. The property also avails of central heating system and it's on the market for 105,000 euros.